2. Yep.
Yes.
This is very nice today. A bit dark inside.
Yeah.
Today it's the 11th of August 2024. December is 2020, but not 2020. It was built in 2001. Yeah. Schindler in the smart here at the Mada shopping center in Vilnius, Lithuania. 3 floors. I'll press. But without the copyrighted music. I need that like they're here with House of Finland.
Yeah.
Down some percent. I think it was finished in 2002.
Yeah. It's pretty like
It was a bit funny, yeah.
Yeah.
How is this?
Yeah. No, I can't see anything. It's too dark. Maintained by Schindler.
I thought that was the floor -1, but it was 0.
Yeah.
But we will change here.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, they're going to badly renovate this center in 2025.
Yeah. The light is needless.
We are afraid they're going to more rise of battery replace these.
Yeah.
But there's no permission about that.
Yeah. It's, I don't know. Yeah, it's maintained by Schindler.
Yeah.
But it's a very small text there, so I can't see it.
December is 2020-206. Best days 13th of that's grams. Unfortunately, the machine is not in the best shape.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all.
That's